Hey, how's it going? Today I'm going to go over how to draw Isabella from Encanto. It's going to be like a headshot with the shoulders. I would say the difficulty of this to follow along would be, I don't know, intermediate. You could probably do it as a beginner actually, but alright, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over here and draw Isabel's eye. Gonna be a simple like top of the eye right there. Gonna go over here, put some distance between there, not too far, pretty far. Curve over here for the top of the other eye. Right there. Line at the top over here for the eyelash. It's more like a triangle as well. Triangle, another triangle sticking out there. I wouldn't make it like a stringy line. Make it like a triangle. Same thing on that far end over here. It's like triangle sticking out here. Gonna go over here, pull down, in. Same thing on this far side eye. Down, in over here. Alright, curve over here for the eye. Inside there. I'm going to leave kind of a space open here for like a highlight. And I'm going to fill in the rest. Going to do the exact same thing on this side. Curve over here. Just kind of looking that way. And there's going to be a space in between here, kind of representing a highlight. Alright. Going to go and find the nose. The nose is going to be really, really small. So right here, going to draw a line here from kind of the bridge of the nose there to the nose. So our bridge of the nose is going to go up between our eyes there a little bit. And then I'm going to draw a curved line from where that line ends. Below, just a small curve.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Sorry that Alexa went off. Go over here, up for one side of the nose, nostril. I'm gonna find the nostril on this side, like right there. And then I'm gonna find a line over here. Alrighty. Gonna go over here to the top of the eye. I'm gonna find the eyebrow. Right here. And right here. Pretty thick eyebrow, honestly. I'm gonna fill that in. Gonna go over here on this side. Line over here for the eyebrow on this side. Down. Down. And I'm gonna fill that in as well. Pretty dark eyebrow, pretty thick eyebrow. Cool. Now I'm gonna draw over here toward the top. I'm gonna kind of find the part of her hair, maybe like yay high, not too far up. And I'm gonna draw a curved line over here, this eyebrow. And I'm gonna draw a, from that point, curved line over here. Kind of that eyebrow, brushing up against it, but not quite. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button. Likes are the fuel to the channel. When you press the like, it does a huge amount for the algorithm, etc. It kind of shows your support. Also shows me what to draw more of. So when you press like, it really helps out. Go to other videos too that you did enjoy or do enjoy and hit that like as well. I'm gonna go over here, draw straight down into the eye. It's gonna be the side of the face now that we're looking at. Line over here into the cheek. before we do that, we're going to go to the mouth over here. I'm going to start with the part of her mouth. So right here, let's say it's one side of the smile, like the crack of the mouth. And over here is the other side. She's going to be smiling, all right? And then I'm going to pull that line down straight over here. Right on. Doing good. I'm going to go over here to the center of the mouth, and I'm going to draw a little dip like this. Curve. Go over here, dip like this, pull back. See that upper lip as she's kind of pulling back and smiling. All right. Gonna do the same thing. Have the lip come down here. Curve underneath. Alright, so now you have that lip there. She's smiling back here. You could draw like a crack of the mouth there. Haha. Now I'm going to pull from the side of the cheek, and I'm going to do it maybe down here, like to the point of her chin. Alright. Going to go from the swooping back of the hair, and I'm going to pull down to the side of the hair, not too far down, and then it's going to pull up. And we're going to find her ear back there as attached to that. So we're over here on this side. Curve. Find her ear. And she's going to have like 3 roses in earrings. So I'm going to draw like a little, looks like a popcorn ball. Another popcorn ball behind that. Another one. It's really small. Let me put like a dot at the center of those to, you know. But they look like popcorn balls to me. Below that, I'm going to draw a circle underneath that. Go over to the ear, pull down, curve for that inner ear. Alrighty. Right on. So now I'm going to take this point of the chin area, and I'm going to, well, basically I'm going to start from over here, kind of from that popcorn ball, pull down for the back of the jaw. Then I'm going to pull forward into this. So you have that pointed chin there. Be careful, by the way. A lot of this stuff is subtle, so be very aware. You know, it might be a little. If there's certain shapes that are incorrect, you can kind of start over if you want. But I know there's always stuff about the shapes, you know. So kind of stay aware of that. Doing good? Doing good so far, hopefully? Okay. I noticed she had this little mole thing over here, so I'm going to throw like a dot there for like a mole. Alright, gonna go over here into the hair now. So it's gonna be pretty flat to her head, honestly. So I'm gonna go over here, pull back just a bit. Then I'm gonna continue in a circular manner, pulling back. Then out over here and down. Okay. Behind her ear here, we're going to draw the neck down, slide down. Over here, kind of under the chin here, down, out. And then we can find the dress by pulling out over here, down. She's turning side there. Cool. Going over here, find the other side of her hair, pulling out, down. It's going to pull in. Out, down. She has a flower on that side of her head, so I'm just gonna do that, like these curved shapes. And then some flowers over here too, you know. Same thing, that kind of curved shape. Just kinda, it looks nice, I think. Out over here, down. Curve over here on this side, straight down here, and it's gonna vignette the picture, you know, very nice. And that's pretty much it. If you want, you can also draw the frills to her collar, depending on what she's wearing right at the moment. You could kind of do that. Or if you want, you can also draw the neck a little like thinner, but I think I have a marker, so all I can do is really like pull in on that a little bit. The last thing you can do is maybe you can draw like some lines over here from their hair, like following the flow of her hair. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Make this the video you subscribe in. When you subscribe, you'll be able to see on your feed what video I'm drawing that day. And I'm drawing 3 videos every single day, 3 lessons, and they're all, like I said, free and fun and chill. So I hope to see you there. Like I said, make this the video you subscribe in. Thank you so much. If you want, you can make this a little bit thicker over here on the side. Just little fixes, nothing wild. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.